Your mind is always thinking, that's what it does. But not every thought is worth holding on to. Let's try something different. Sit down comfortably, close your eyes if you like, take a gentle breath in and out. Now imagine every thought as a small soap bubble. When a thought appears, see it float up. It shines for a moment, then pops by itself. No need to chase it, push it, hold it. Thoughts keep rising, bubbles keep popping. Some bubbles might be big, some tiny, some bright. All of them disappear the same way. Softly, keep breathing. Let thoughts come and go like bubbles in the air. Feel your mind getting clearer, lighter, softer. You can return to this any time you feel crowded inside. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.